Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, it is really dramatic and really overwhelming to see me like this, but I was like, I should come make the intro with my makeup on because yeah, this is dramatic and it looks good. So today I'm gonna show you how I did this look, and if you recreate it, please tag me. If you don't recreate it, just watch it and enjoy the video. And I hope you guys like this video. Also, I'll add all the product details in the description box below. And yeah, let's get started. So I wanna apologize for this whole setup and how weird it looks, but this was the only way I could do my makeup and show you guys how I'm doing my makeup because I really needed a mirror in front of me. Also, I'm listening to Office Ladies podcast while I'm doing my makeup. It just makes everything so much better. So my first step is always to moisturize my skin. That is moisturize your skin. I'm saying like that because you need to moisturize. It makes your skin better, it makes your makeup better. So yeah, I'm also moisturizing my neck here because I'm gonna do some body makeup. So yeah, if you're doing body makeup, moisturize your neck, your shoulders, moisturize everything. And yeah, it just makes your makeup look better. It also makes your skin healthier, and it obviously creates another barrier with primer, between your makeup and your skin. I'm also moisturizing my lips using Blue Heavens lip balm. It is in cocoa and I love this lip balm. I use it every day. My first step is always to do brows, so I'm doing that only. I'm taking a spoolie brush and combing all my hair through because I just did my brows and they were really clean, so I didn't have to do much. I'm not gonna fill them in, but I'm gonna use this soap and just comb it with the soap. I'm just activating it with some water and just combing through my brow hair with soap, and it looks really good. I don't know how to speak. I don't know how to speak while I do my makeup, so I was like, let me do a voiceover, but the conclusion is I don't know how to speak. So yeah, that's the absolute conclusion. And yeah, I'm just doing my brows. So yeah, I'm gonna prime my face now using the Nykaa Pore Perfecting Primer that I love, and I'm just applying it. I don't know why I look so tensed, but yeah, something must have happened between the brows and the priming part. Now you can see I'm just priming my whole face, and yeah, that's about it. So now I'm priming my eyelids using LA Pro concealer in medium beige, and also I always do my eyes first whenever I'm doing any colored look because the fallout just goes on your base and it just looks horrible. So I'm just doing my eyes first and then I'm gonna move on to my base. So for this look I'm using the Beauty Glazed palette, and it has every shade, so I think it's a really good palette and they are pigmented and everything. So I'm taking the darkest blue color and apply it on my crease, and it will act as my transition shade. I know I'm using a dark color. Now if you're someone who is not good with using a colored eyeshadow, you can totally go with a transition shade and then use a crease color. I'm using the crease color at first because I'm quite handy with blending, so that's why I'm just blending it out really nicely, and I'm gonna do the same to the other eye. Now I'm just taking a lighter blue and blending it all through my crease because I'm going to do a cut crease and I'm creating a good base for it. And I'm also blending it with the dark blue. I completed both my eyes and now I'm going to cut the crease. So I'm taking a lighter concealer, that is Maybelline Fit Me in 25 medium, and I'm going to take my cut crease brush and just gonna cut my crease. What I do is I have hooded eyes, so I apply a little bit of concealer on my lids and then I look upward so that I have the crease already, and then I extend the crease further because hooded eyes, you can't really see cut crease until and unless you drag the crease or make your own crease. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Now I'm using a silver shadow from Makeup Revolution X Sofx. So yeah, it's a great shadow and I love it a lot. It's just the most beautiful silver shadow I've ever seen, and I'm gonna apply it all over my cut crease, and then I'm gonna blend it with my blue color really nicely. And yeah, my eyes are done. I'm gonna apply white liner, but that is for the later part. So I did my base off camera because the video was getting too long. Now I'm using the same palette and taking the same dark blue shade that I used in my eyes and contouring my face with it. Now I'm using, the dark shade everywhere where there would be like, a contour. So I'm using it on my cheekbone, I'm using it on my forehead, and I'm using it everywhere where there will be dark shadows, and I'm gonna use the lighter blue around it to just blend it out. So here I have started using the lighter blue shade and I'm just blending it with the darker blue, and I'm gonna do it all over. So while doing the makeup, I just thought of, seeing the artist who originally did the makeup, and that person did such a great job, and I was just, trying to replicate it. That's it. And I was like, okay, it's hard. Now, after completing my whole face and my body, I was like, let's do my white liner now. So, I'm doing the white liner over my cut crease, like just to give a very beautiful look. And I'm gonna do this on both the sides. Now I'm starting to make the snowflakes, and this was really difficult because I had to be really precise. So if you are not able to make straight lines, it's okay, you're not the only one. So the best way to make the snowflakes is to make 6 lines and then just draw the outside lines, and I found that it was really easy. The first snowflake was really difficult, but as I was going on, it became really easy to make. So just make 6 lines and then just the outer parts. Now after doing the snowflake, I started doing these small stars and small snowflakes, and yeah, I'm gonna do the snowflakes, and I'm also gonna tap some color into my eyeshadow to make it look really snowy. Now that is what I meant by dabbing some color into my eyeshadow. I'm just doing that so that it looks really snowy and looks like it's the part of the look. Now I'm using my favorite lashes from Sharon Cosmetics, and that is Topaz. And yeah, they're really easy to apply and I love them, so I'm gonna just apply them. So now I'm just using a Swiss Beauty lip liner. I love this shade because it just looks like a perfect nude for me. And after that I'm gonna use Maybelline's Nude Neonance in on my lips. I just love both of these together. Now I know the inspiration picture had whole body makeup, same as the face, but I was like, I wanted to go in a different direction. So I, used the paint and I, dripped a lot of water into it and it became really watery and I loved the effect it was giving me. And yeah, that's what I did. And I was like, okay, I love this, the way it looks. Now I'm gonna do that. So I did it. Now, whenever I do makeup like this, I always love to go all out, and now I'm just doing my hair. So, I'm using a square headed brush and I'm just painting the roots of my hair, and I'm also gonna do the length so it looks really, like it looks like it's part of me and part of the makeup look. So, I'm gonna do that all over. After doing the hair, the last place that was left was my hand. So I was like, let's paint this too because it's gonna come in the pictures and it's gonna look good. So as you can see, I'm painting it really, really well, and that's what I did. So yeah guys, that is my finished makeup look and I think this looks really good. I know the inspiration picture had this whole body makeup, but I was like, I'm too tired to do that. But if you want to, you can definitely do that. But I think I wanted to add some of my own like this iciness to the pictures and the videos, so I did this. And I also clicked so many Instagram pictures and you can check them out on my Instagram. I think they will go up before this video. But I mean, I love this look and I hope you understood whatever I said. Like, I know it was a voiceover, but still. And yeah, please subscribe to my channel and I hope you enjoyed this video. And like and share this video. And if you recreate this look, please tag me. If you like follow this video and recreate this look, please tag me. I would love to see it. And yeah, that's it. Now I'm gonna go and take a bath because it's really cold today and I need to wash my hair as you can see. And yeah, and also like this does not damages my hair, to be very honest. I have done this quite often and it doesn't. So don't worry about it. Also, I just don't want to take this makeup off, but I have to. So I'm not gonna blabber a lot because I think this video is too long to blabber now. So I'm just gonna go. So I hope to see you guys again and bye.